Hello everybody, I will be teaching you another lesson on the book, A Problem-Solving Approach to Mathematics for Elementary School Teachers. And we will be starting in chapter 11, section 1B, question 17. I'll read it to you as you can follow along on the board. In the figure below, O is the center of the circle and measure of angle A, C, and B equals 90 degrees. Find the following measures. So here are the following measures that we have. So I'm first going to start off with the measure of angle A, C, and O, which is right here. A, C, and O. As you can already tell that 55 degrees is this measure of this angle, B, C, and O, and that equals a 90 degree right angle with A, C, and O. So in order to find the complementary of this angle to this angle, you take 90 minus 55, and that will equal 35 degrees. So there is your answer to question A. The measure of angle AC and O, AC and O, is 35 degrees. Now for B, the measure of the arc of A and C, which is this right here, the measure of the arc of A and C equals, usually, or it always equals the inside angle right here. So since we don't know that, we know this whole thing, this straight line equals 180 degrees, and in order to find that, you take 180 minus 70, since that's its supplementary right there. So 180 minus 70 equals 110 degrees. So therefore, the measure of angle, or the measure of the arc of A and C equals the angle measure right here. So therefore, this equals 110 degrees. For C, we're going to take the measure of the arc of C and B, which is right here. And since we already know the angle measurement of that, it's going to be 70 degrees. So the measure of the arc of C and B equals 70 degrees, which is right here. Now for question D, we're going to take or find the measure of the arc of A and B, which is this whole long arc right here. And since we know that this right here is 180 degrees, that means the measure of the arc is also going to be 180 degrees. So the measure of the arc of A and B equals 180 degrees. Now for the last part, E, the measure of the arc of C, B, and A, which starts from here and goes all the way down to here, adds up to 70, this arc, plus 180, which was the arc of B and A. So now you just add those up. 180 plus 70 equals 250 degrees. So therefore, the measure of the arc of C, B, and A equals 250